with the COVID situation in the country. We're getting in some breaking inputs from the state of Maharashtra. The Maharashtra health minister has downplayed the COVID threat. He says that there is no COVID situation in Maharashtra. There is no need to be afraid. This is what the Maharashtra health minister had to say. Let's also bring you his reaction as we play out at a time when the union health minister Mansukh Mandavia is talking about a rise in COVID cases and the country being on high alert. This is what Maharashtra's health minister had to say.
कोविड की परिस्थिति महाराष्ट्र में अभी कोविड महाराष्ट्र से आउट हो गया है क्योंकि पूरा महाराष्ट्र में 132 पेशेंट्स है पूरा महाराष्ट्र में, तो डरने की कोई बात ही नहीं है.
All right, for more details, let's quickly go across to our correspondent Mihir, who's on the phone line with me. Mihir, important to talk about how while the health minister of Maharashtra might be considering that people do not panic, it's important to talk about how it's also mandatory for states to in fact remain on high alert, as has been urged by the union health minister as well.
That's correct, and that is what Maharashtra is doing. At this point, Maharashtra has issued guidelines, and it is telling even its guardian ministers to ensure that all the equipments and all the facilities are intact and should be checked by them. Apart from that, they've also said that they are prepared for any sort of eventuality. This statement comes to the tunes of the fact that there are certain concerns and there is an alert regarding COVID, but there is no panic situation in Maharashtra or anywhere in the country at this point. But one cannot let their guards down is something which is of prime importance at this point. Remember, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, the inoculation, the vaccine drive was also a big success. While the booster, one cannot say that about the booster dose, but a majority of the people have the 2 doses of vaccines, and vaccines are working very fine with most of the variants we have seen in the past, and that is why there is no sense of panic. However, what the minister must be trying to say in this context is that one doesn't need to worry at this point. But also one cannot forget the fact that one should not let their guards down.
Right.
And that is something people on the ground also realize. When I spoke to many of them, they said that they will not wait for any sort of guidelines. They will take their own precautions, and if need be, they will mask up if there are some...
All right, Mihir, thank you for bringing those details. I'm sorry, I need to move